When you have been charged with a crime, the weight of the state is against you. It's the people of the state of Illinois versus one individual. My name is David Drwencke, and I practice criminal defense here in Chicago, Illinois. Many of my clients, if it wasn't for getting someone like myself involved, they're going to get bullied. They're going to get steamrolled by the system because you can tell it's the police, detectives, state's attorneys, judges. The entire system feels like it's against that individual, that many people feel like they're hopeless and they're given up before the case even gets started.
I was charged with a first-degree murder charge. I ain't gonna lie, it was a moment where it was a big reality check because I was incarcerated already on a robbery case. I was supposed to come home within a couple of years. That couple of years ended up turning to 6 years. Due to me being charged with the murder case, it was like I felt like my whole life was over with. Dave helped me realize that it takes time, patience, and a process.
My brother's the type of person that he doesn't really let us into everything, but when things get knee deep and he need help, he reached out. After we contacted David, after we had a meeting with David in person, David filled in all the blanks.
It was a scripture. It was like, no weapon formed against me shall prosper. And I felt like the justice system was a weapon, and it was against me.
How you treat people matters because getting a result is obviously the end goal. Let's keep somebody out of jail. Let's get a case dismissed. Let's get a not guilty verdict. That's the goal, but there's a long process in criminal defense. From the time somebody's been arrested and arraigned to going through the discovery process, it can take months, if not well over a year or two. And that process, that time, is nerve-wracking. It's an anxious time. There's a lot of fear. Coming from a very religious family, that treating other people the way that you want to be treated is something, not just a line or a platitude or something that's thrown around. People come from different backgrounds and find themselves in sometimes unfortunate circumstances through no fault of their own, but they should be treated with respect.
David is a part of the family now. He is a part of the family now. You know what I'm saying? Because he earned that position.
And I just want to thank you, Dave. I know you're behind the camera, but I appreciate you, man. You family, and I'm grateful. For real. Thank you.
Every time I look at what's called a case caption, and that's where it's the parties for a case. And in my cases, it's the people of the state of Illinois versus my client, that singular name. Who stands between everyone in the system and my client? It's myself, a criminal defense attorney, as I know that not only can I come in and balance the scales, I'm going to tip them in the favor of my client. I'm going to make it unbalanced in their favor, getting the best results for people who otherwise feel hopeless. And that is the thing that pushes me through on a lot of these cases, is dealing with real people, with real consequences, real stakes, and knowing that I'm helping that person. Nothing could be more satisfying. I love it.